Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please can you don't forget to subscribe down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and soft Msemen. It's like chapati, like basically an Arab chapati. So without further ado, let's begin with our recipe. So the ingredients that we're going to use today to make this msemen or the Arab chapati, we will need the following ingredients. We're going to need some oil, we have some ghee, we have some wheat flour, approximately 2 cups, 1 cup of semolina flour, some salt, some sugar, and of course some water. So without further ado, let's begin with our recipe. In a mixer, you're going to add all the dry ingredients. You're going to add 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of semolina flour, some salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix all the dry ingredients very well. Once the dry ingredients are well combined, then you're going to add some water gradually while mixing until you get a soft dough. Once you get a dough like this, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee and continue mixing until you get a super soft stretchy dough. Our dough is ready, as you can able to see in the video. Remove the dough from the mixer and place it on a working surface. At this point, I'm going to mix some oil with some ghee and I'm going to melt it in the microwave. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil on the dough, then apply it all over. Then place it on a plate and cover it with the foil to rest for approximately 15 to 20 minutes so that the dough gets more softer. After 15 to 20 minutes of rest, then you're going to divide the dough into small 6 doughs, or also you can able to get maximum of 8 doughs, so you can able to get 8 chapatis. Take a plate, then you're going to add some oil on the plate, then afterwards take 1 dough at a time and add some oil. Like basically with these chapatis, you're going to use a lot of oil. Take 1 dough at a time, make sure you've greased the working surface because it's so important. Then add more oil. Then using the tip of your finger, you're going to roll out the dough, as you can able to see in the video, into a large circle. Then afterwards, you're going to add more oil with some semolina flour and fold it, as you can able to see in the video, step by step. Repeat the same process with the other doughs until you're done. After folding it, make sure you flatten them as much as possible so that when cooking the chapati can able to cook inside very well. And it's high time to bake our chapati. You're going to place a pan on a medium heat, then let the pan to become hot. Once the pan has become hot, you're going to place the chapati and cook it on a medium heat until golden brown color. So basically, with this chapati, you're not going to use any oil. Once the msemen or your chapati has this amazing golden brown color or the color you desire, you're going to flip the chapati on the other side and let it cook until golden brown. Once your chapati has this amazing golden brown color, then your msemen or your chapati is ready, and remove it out from the pan and place it on a plate. Repeat the same process with the other chapatis. And our soft msemen or our Arab chapatis are ready, as you can able to see in the video. They have this amazing golden brown color and of course they're super soft. I'm going to cut one of the chapati so you can able to see how soft and how layered it is. Like you can able to see in the video, oh my god, these chapatis were so soft, they taste incredible, delicious, and it doesn't take time, of course. So guys, if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back and comment in the comment section so you can able to let me know how this msemen tastes. And our msemen or our Arab chapatis are ready, as you can able to see in the video. They're nicely cooked, they're so soft, they're fluffy, and of course, talking about the layers, they're beautiful laid. Oh my god, and it's so easy to make, and it doesn't take time, of course. So hope you guys you've enjoyed this recipe. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others. And see you next time. Bye bye.